What if I told you that, right now, in the heart of Zimbabwe, a project is rising that could rewrite Africa's industrial future? An $800 million mega steel plant, set to become the largest on the continent, is not just about producing steel. It's about creating jobs, powering industries, reshaping trade, and putting Zimbabwe back on the global economic map. This is not just a factory, it's the rebirth of a nation's industrial dream. Zimbabwe once had a steel giant, ZISCO Steel. At its peak in the 1980s, it was one of Africa's largest producers, exporting across the continent. But decades of mismanagement, corruption, and sanctions brought it to its knees, leaving thousands unemployed and the nation without a backbone industry. Now, decades later, Zimbabwe is making a comeback through the Manhize Steel Plant, led by China's Tsingshan Holdings Group, the world's largest stainless steel producer. The Manhize Steel Plant, valued at $800 million, is more than just a factory. It's designed to produce up to 5 million tons of steel annually, making it the single largest steel operation in Africa. This scale will not only meet Zimbabwe's domestic needs, but also position the country as a major supplier to Southern Africa and beyond. From rebar for construction to sheets for automobiles, Manhize will fuel Africa's industries for decades to come. The plant is expected to employ over 6,000 Zimbabweans directly and tens of thousands indirectly in transport, mining, construction, and energy. But beyond jobs, it will build skills. Young Zimbabwean engineers, welders, and technicians are being trained to handle world-class operations. For communities around Manhize, this is more than steel. It's hope, livelihoods, and the rebirth of an industrial workforce. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss more stories on Africa's biggest transformations. Also, check out the card in the corner. It links to our video on Zimbabwe's $88 million Trabablas interchange, another story of national infrastructure shaping the future. Steel is the backbone of development. Every bridge, every skyscraper, every railway needs it. For decades, Africa has imported billions of dollars worth of steel from Asia. Now, Zimbabwe has the chance to change that. From the Bait Bridge-Harare Highway to hydropower dams and even African automotive plants. Manhize Steel could become the building block of a new Africa, made in Africa by Africans. This project is not just about Zimbabwe. With Tsingshan Holdings behind it, the plant ties into China's Belt and Road Initiative, giving Zimbabwe new trade routes into Asia and Europe. But it also raises strategic questions. Will Zimbabwe's steel industry remain independent, or will it be shaped by foreign control? Either way, Manhize puts Zimbabwe on the map as a key player in Africa's industrial future.
Our iron ore will be fully exploited, value-added, and beneficiated locally.
But the dream doesn't come without risks. Questions remain about environmental impact, displacement of local communities, and whether Zimbabwe has the electricity grid to sustain such a massive plant. Will the steel revolution empower ordinary Zimbabweans, or mainly benefit elites and foreign investors? The answers will determine whether this is truly a national rebirth or just another missed opportunity. Zimbabwe's $800 million steel project is more than a construction site. It's a symbol of resilience, of a nation daring to rebuild its industrial heart. If successful, it will transform Zimbabwe from an importer to an exporter, from dependency to power. The world is watching. Will Manhize rise to forge a new era for Zimbabwe and Africa? Only time will tell. Zimbabwe's steel revolution is just one piece of Africa's transformation. To uncover more untold stories shaping the continent's future, click the video on your screen now. You don't want to miss it.